court decided that they only starting court at 11:30. So we are here to have our matter heard now, please. No. You see, justice is about equality, and Section 7 of the Constitution. It's about everybody's got the right to be heard and to be treated with dignity. Now, it is undignified for us to arrive here from our townships. We come here, we go through great experience being here, and we get told, in our absence, we must come back at 2:15. That is irregular. It's a flouting of the law. My rights have been prejudiced, so I'm here, and I would like to have my matter heard. Not at 2:15. You've broken the law. Judges are human. It's not a joke. Judges are human. They are not mighty than any one of us.
If you think that disrespecting the court is going to get you anywhere, then there's a problem here, because the court started at 11:30. Only the matters which were had now have been had before this court. Your matter has not been called.
Yeah, but why didn't you tell us that you're not ready at 10 o'clock and that you're first going to have a memorial service, and the public must be prejudiced because you are having a memorial service without informing us, giving us official notice so that we can arrange ourselves accordingly. It's only about, it's a very simple practice of dignity and respect and courtesy and being equal before the law.
Those who are able to read would have seen the notices that were flagged all over the courthouse.
It's very difficult for you to acknowledge when you do something wrong.
Yeah.
Exactly, I'm respecting your respect me. You must respect me. We don't fall under British law here. Government does. No, we are Africans. We are Africans. So I would like you to give us guidance. Please give us guidance. We are here. We are not going to have the matter as a court for us to. We are here, and you must make your ruling. Please, thank you. We are waiting for the judge.
I didn't give you permission to touch me. No, don't touch me.
Don't touch me. Judge.
Don't touch me.
Sorry, why are you pushing me? Brother, leave me here.
The law.
So you got your phone on. Sorry, listen, is your phone on? Is your phone on?
My phone?
I have the right to touch you. I'm a police officer. I have the right. I have due cause to touch you. I have the right. I have the right.
You don't have the right. It's through you, my God. No, you don't have the right. The Roman Catholic laws.
The people would ask you to leave the courtroom right now.
Yes, I know his camera is on. Don't worry. You can photograph me. No, I am within my rights. Please.
You and with your right. I mean with my right as well. Well, the captain has left the ship.
Legal. Really, and it's a fact that I'll put it on the
Sorry? You come to restaurant.
There was no idea to disrupt the court. There was no idea to disrupt the court here.
Yes, you can
Who
record
are you protecting? Where's your oath? Are you under oath here today? Are you under oath? Peace officer, I'm talking to you. Are you under oath? Can you answer a simple question? Are you under oath?
Why are you shouting?
Are you under oath? Answer. You are a public servant.
Sorry, can you don't please run
Yes,
proceed?
I need to establish if these public servants and peace officers are under oath here today. That's a relevant question. You cannot answer the question.
And if you start shouting,
I'm
if you start shouting, you did shout, so go out, please.
I'm asking you a simple question.
A question.
Come out, please.
Can you answer
Listen
the
here, I've
question?
asked you how many times to please go outside, but you don't do it.
Before you do
Go
that, you need
outside,
to produce your oath.
Go outside, please. The court wants to stop. The court wants to stop, please. You are disrupting the court. You are disrupting the court. I have the right. You are disrupting the court.
Mario is calling.
Say that you're under oath here today as a police officer.
You can't just push your way to run.
No. Are you under oath?
It doesn't work like that.
No, answer the question. Are you under oath? Are you under oath today?
Everyone's all right.
If I was you, go and arrest the judge. She's an imposter. If that's your duty, to arrest the judge. She's an imposter. She is an imposter. Ask the judge if she's under oath. Is the judge under oath?
You people, how we feel. And you don't understand us. You understand just yourself. You say there will be comfort, there will be security. There's no comfort, there's no security for us. Only for you people here. No, man. You're not equal with us. You are taking, you make us criminals. You are
Was it simple to put a notice up and tell it there's a memorial? That's all it takes, a piece of paper. I didn't see anything. Or to inform the people that are on the roll. We got all contact details. To tell the people, listen, there's something on tomorrow, come later. We live in a modern age with communication. Well, what they did, they called the matter up first without anyone being here and referred it and stood it down for later, without the people's knowledge. That's not fair. Yeah, everyone's waiting, yeah. At our expense because they want to do as they please.
You're enjoying our land. Something is wrong.
I would appreciate you not filming.
Sorry.
Okay.
Sorry, can you please leave the court? The court wants to start, please.
The court wants to start.
Can you
Okay.
please leave the court, please?
And why do we have to leave the court? On whose order?
In his own order.
Can
He wants you to
Can
leave.
you please leave the court? The court wants to start, please. You are disrupting the
I'm
court.
not disrupting the court.
You are disrupting
Why am
the
I
court.
disrupting the
You
court?
raise your voice in court. You don't want to go out. You're disrupting
Well,
the court.
we
Please
got
go out. I've asked
all
you
the rights
for
to ask questions.
Please go outside. The court wants to start, please.
Can you get the
Can you
judge
please?
back in?
You don't want to
No,
start.
your matter will be heard at 2:15. What
Yes.
is what the judge
Okay.
says?
So that means you can come in at 2:15. Please
You
go
mind
out.
to come at
Court wants to start,
2:15,
and you also please.
I'm
sir.
not the spokesman of this community. I don't know what Mario's
I
decided.
didn't ask you for a spokesman. I asked you please to leave the court.
I've
Don't
asked
change the
you, I
question.
have asked
Please
you to
leave
be
the
under
court,
oath.
please. Yes.
And if the judge is
You
under
see-
oath, is the judge under oath today?
Can you please leave the court?
Is the judge under oath?
Yeah, I know what you're
I'm
trying
not
to do.
gonna comment.
You're trying to provoke the police. I know
I'm
your
not
tactics.
provoking.
No, you can
I'm
record
not
it. Let him record
provoking.
this fight.
Yeah.
I've
I'm
done
asking
nothing wrong.
a
So
simple
I'm not
question.
afraid of his recording because I've done nothing wrong.
You have
Yes.
taken a public
You see, the
office.
thing is, he's trying to test me to.
I'm
so
not
that I must-
testing you.
I must lost my cool.
I'm
you know,
not
this
your
type of stuff.
enemy.
No, I know that.
I'm not
Can
your
you please,
enemy.
Can you please leave the court, please?
I'm
sir?
a man, you're a
Can you
man. I'm
please
not your
leave the court?
enemy.
Well, I can see that
Can
I'm a
you
man.
feel-
but
can you
good
feel
for,
the
good for
resonance?
telling me
I'm
that.
not-
Can you leave the court,
And
please?
you've taken a public
Can you
office.
leave the court, please? The court
Are
will
you
start.
under oath to have the
Can you
authority
please leave the
to
court,
tell me
please?
to leave the court?
Can you please leave the court, please?
Can you please tell me that you're under oath to have the authority to tell me to leave the court? Are you under oath?
The court want to start, please. Can you leave the court?
Are you a corporate
Can
agent or are
can
you a peace
please
officer?
leave the court?
Are you under oath?
Why do you ask that?
Why do I ask
Why
that?
do you keep on asking that?
Because you are a public office holder.
Yeah.
And I'm asking you if you have got the license,
Why
the
do you ask
permit, the
that?
oath to do as you please. It's a simple question. When someone gets stopped at the roadblock and they ask for the license and you don't have it, you say, I've got it at home, you think it's fine to go home and get it. No, you get a ticket, you get a fine. Yeah?
Oh, it's coming now. Good for you.
Well, I want to see where other people are. Are you under oath today, officer? Peace officer.
Can you please leave the court, please?
What reason?
For some reason, you are disrupting the court. Yes,
Well, he hasn't been disrupting the court.
You are part of the group.
He's just been standing. How do you associate people with a group?
Sorry, man.
Can you call
Sorry,
Councillor Cutler?
Yes, it is a public place, but you are disrupting the court. You are disrupting the court. I'm not shouting to you. You are disrupting the court. Listen, you are disrupting the court. So you are disrupting the person.
I don't know. We should arrest the judge. We should arrest the judge.
If he wants to speak to you, he's disrupting the court. If they want to go outside the court can't stop.
If you're disrupting the court, you must leave the courtroom.
He is not disrupting the court. None of us is disrupting the court.
Sir? Simple. Even if it's a public place, you have to respect the court. I'm not going to argue with you. I'm just saying.
Oh.
That's it. It's simple.
Oh, okay.
Play je nog steeds?
Nog altijd.
He's called me out before. Today I called him out.
Where's Mario?
Brother Thomas, how are you? It's been a long time since I've seen you, my friend. How are you doing?
We saw him last week.
He wasn't here with Friday night, was he? Oh, I didn't see you. Okay.
Shall we do the same, stand and match it down to our plus 2 because it's all regarding the same subject matter jurisdiction and we don't want to disrupt it.
Yeah, look, I think it's sensible. Because obviously the unopposed stuff must get done first. You guys obviously want to make some sort of submissions in that. Be well advised, and you better prepare yourself in argument. But I'm obviously immediately going to object to your ability to represent Ms. Tor, because you're not an attorney or an advocate. So I hope you've got a counter argument to that. I'm sure you do. Okay, so I'll ask her if I can stand it down. You'll have to step forward when I do that.
No problem.
Just to confirm that
It
that's
doesn't
the
look as
agreement.
she might not come back today. If she's a bit scared. She's
Well, I
abandoned
don't-
the ship.
I
Don't forget we're on the ship, huh?
Well, yeah.
And it's getting very rough.
Yeah, rough
Yeah.
seas today, eh?
Right.
Some ripples.
Are you connected with this crowd?
I'm connected with the crowd, yeah.
And so you have an interest in this litigation and the other litigation?
I have an
where they-
interest in every litigation. I'm an observer of the Unified Common Law Grand Jury, and we've been
Oh, are
observing.
you? Oh,
We have been
right.
observing many proceedings and irregularities thereof.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
But I wouldn't wait outside because